Troops from Malawi, Tanzania and South Africa are in the east of the Democratic Republic of Congo to support the Congolese army. The troops, known as the Southern African Development Community Mission in the DRC, are led by a commander from South Africa. They will be working with Congolese forces to fight armed groups in eastern DRC. The region has about 120 armed groups fighting over land and the control of mineral resources, but the most deadly of them is the M23 movement that has captured swathes of territory in North Kivu province since 2022. The deployment of the Southern African forces is in line with the principle of collective self-defense adopted by the 16-nation trade bloc. The troops have replaced soldiers from the East African community who were ordered by the Congolese government to leave the DRC for failing to fight the M23 rebels. The arrival comes as the DRC awaits the confirmation of the results of the presidential election by the Constitutional Court. In December last year, the country's Electoral Commission declared President Felix Tshisekedi the winner of the election with 73% of the vote. But opposition candidates have rejected the results and called for a rerun. Chris Ochamringa, SABC News, Kinshasa.